Sonny, the first question I have, I've actually asked this question to many of our guests because it is interesting to see how they define ERP. And the answer is actually varied quite a bit. But how would you define ERP for our listeners?
I think a piece of the context that many people might not know is that the acronym ERP is pretty old, and it actually has more to do with Star Trek and being able to sell this concept of a centralized computer database than anything else. And so in that regard, the ERP has taken on a meaning that's grown beyond that. But internally, we talk about Fulcrum being an operating system. And it's an operating system just like you have Windows or Mac OS or whatever operating system that you use. We build Fulcrum to be something that a variety of different manufacturers can use. Sometimes that means that we're building things that some of our customers don't need. Other times it means that we're changing the paradigm of how we think about certain concepts like scheduling or forecasting or demand planning. But fundamentally, our goal is to make Fulcrum something that's really valuable out of the box and can be extended upon, built on top of, and configured to make it fit our customers really well. So for me, it's anything that touches the operations of one of our customers' pieces of data, whether that's a sales order or an invoice or a production order or a job or a bill of materials. There's this web of data that's really important and fundamentally interrelated and integrated within these companies. And that's really what is important to us, is capturing that information, automating as much of the decision-making process as possible, and making insights available passively as people are using the system.